Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the fingerprint in the Samsung A50. To this operation, go to your settings here, go to lock screen and screen lock type, not swipe, by fingerprint here. Continue. Second security gonna be pin 12340. That's it, and scan your fingerprint by pressing here. So let's start. And get a full scan. Continue. Every corner of your fingerprints. 100% done. Done, and continue without the Samsung account. And let's try how it's work. This finger not match our finger. It's okay. We are enter. We can add the fingerprint on the black screen, and that's it. If you want to turn off fingerprint, just go on the lock screen and choose here by pressing the pin which you selected on the swipe. Remove the data on fingerprint, and that's it. It's already deleted. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!